and just keep smiling the whole time, okay?
Oh.
Can you slide down? Hold strong. Lift your head up. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Amazing. Turn on your side. Move down a little. She's even doing panoramic video for you.
Yeah.
All angles. Relax your shoulder. I got you, okay? I got your breast. Turn the other way. I got you. Just relax.
Oh, nice one. That's really nice. That was
Great.
so nice.
Especially that last one. That was. Can you turn face down, please? We'll finish off with a little traction. Yeah, that's good right there. Don't move.